To use the credit simulator on the Credit Karma app, start by opening the app and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you will see an overview of your credit information. Look for the section that says Credit Tools or Credit Resources, and click on it. This will take you to a page with various credit-related tools and resources. Scroll down until you see the Credit Simulator option and click on it. The Credit Simulator is a tool that allows you to see how different financial decisions can affect your credit score. It provides a hypothetical scenario where you can test the impact of different actions, such as paying off debt, applying for new credit, or missing a payment. When you click on the Credit Simulator, you will be presented with a series of scenarios. Choose the scenario you want to simulate, such as paying off a credit card or taking out a loan. Enter the relevant information, such as the amount you want to pay off or borrow, and the Credit Simulator will show you how this action can affect your credit score. The Credit Simulator will provide you with a detailed breakdown of how the action can impact your credit score, including the potential change in your score and the factors that are driving the change. This information can be very useful in helping you make informed decisions about your credit and finances. To get the most out of the Credit Simulator, it is a good idea to run multiple scenarios and compare the results. This will give you a better understanding of how different actions can affect your credit score and help you make more informed decisions. It is also important to keep in mind that the Credit Simulator is a hypothetical tool and the actual impact of a particular action on your credit score may vary. However, it can still be a very useful tool in helping you understand how different financial decisions can affect your credit and finances. By following these steps and using the Credit Simulator on the Credit Karma app, you can gain a better understanding of how to manage your credit and make more informed financial decisions.